We use a lot of files in our day-to-day life, and particularly musics, text documents, photos, and etc. And finally, the day comes when we don't want it anymore, and we're gonna delete it to save our storage space. But what exactly happens when we delete? How secure is deletion? And can we undo a deletion? That's what we'll see in this video. Let's get started. As some of you might know, all files are stored in binary codes, which are interpreted by the machine before displaying the actual file we see. So, deletion of files means the removal of the binary codings. Do you know how complex a storage device is? You might wonder why the files are basically just stored in binary format. Here's the answer. There are certain structures in a storage device, say a SSD, which contains rods, inside which electrons are stored at various levels. These levels are indicated by binary codes. For example, 1 means the space where the electron is present, and 0 means where it is absent. Okay, I don't want to go further into the topic. I understand that you are already freaked out if you hear it for the first time. How is this data deleted? It is not that simple. The values are to be replaced with random unreadable garbage values, so that it could never be recovered. But, in our common deletion, that is not done. Our files are just hidden until another file occupies its location. So, I mean the common deletion, by recycle bin or any other software is just saying permanent, but modern and advanced recovery softwares define them. Let's see how a professional shredder is different from a common deleting software. Be sure to subscribe if you have learned something new here.